This is your day. You have earned today. Go make sure your team, the hospital staff, off-site clinics, surgery centers, or wherever you work today, let all know today is your day. The day you will do everything in your power to make today a great day for you and all you encounter. We all must understand this one thing. There is always room for improvement. There is always another level you can reach. To get to that next level, you may have to build that level yourself. If you're constantly outworking the people around you, it may be time to make some changes. You must change the standard of people around you. If you're always around people you constantly outworking, this can give you a sense of complacency. You must set the standard. You must see what level the bar should be at and raise it. See, only a few can be remembered. The ones who can be remembered is the ones who did not conform. They set the standard. They set the bar. What is your highest standard or potential? Do you believe you deserve more? Work at it. If your work ethic is already great, find out how you can make it greater. You may have come a long way in your HTM career, but can you go further? Are you hungry for growth? Most people are only happy if they are growing. Get uncomfortable and go for the next level. We are doing work that contribute to saving lives. Do you think about that when you're repairing, servicing, or doing maintenance on medical equipment?